everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a useful feature if you guys are an accountant or if you guys are just managing multiple entities or companies inside Odoo 19 accounting module. Like managing multiple companies can make financial analysis as a challenging thing, right? So, especially when you guys need to compare the revenue, expenses, and profitability across different entities. So, instead of opening a separate report for each company, here in Odoo, it fortunately allows you to generate a consolidated financial horizontal report. Okay, so that is actually displays multiple companies side by side in a single view. Like you can simply analyze that financial report of that multiple company in a single view. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how to compare the financial performance across multiple companies. So for that kind of purpose, let's head over to the accounting module and I'll show you what are the things. So from here itself, you can see inside my company, my Odoo database, I'm just like managing multiple companies like my company San Francisco, my US company, my company Chicago. Let me disable these three things and let's confirm it. Once we are done with it, now you can see there we have all such things about one of the company, which is my company San Francisco. And if I'm moving on to the reporting session under the balance sheet, if I'm taking the balance sheet, I can't see any other comparison of the financial report about the multiple company, which means my company US. Okay, like that I can't even see that. But here in Odoo, I can customize that using a feature which is called horizontal groups. Okay, so I can simply get all those report about a balance sheet of that multiple companies, which means these three companies from a single view. So that's what I'm just going to show you. That kind of purpose, we need to enable the developer mode inside Odoo 19. So I've already activated the developer mode. Moving on to the configuration settings and clicking on activate developer mode. So you guys must need to provide that because some of the features inside Odoo 19, it is actually hidden inside the developer mode. So if you guys are just activating them, you will get that features. So what is actually that feature is configuration. Moving on to the accountings, now you can see there we have an option which is horizontal groups. Okay, so don't forget to activate the developer mode. Once you guys are just doing that, you will only get this feature. Okay, otherwise don't complain to me. And there you can see here we have the feature which is actually helping to allocate those financial report at a single view. Moving on to the new button, I'm just going to create a new horizontal group which is called company. I'm just going to provide it as company financial report. Okay, I want to analyze that. Once I'm done with that, I just want to provide the reports. Which are the reports that I want to show this horizontal groups or set up this horizontal groups? So I'm selecting it as balance sheet and under the profit and loss as well. So under the profit and loss, once I'm done with that, I can hit the save button. Moving on to the field side, here you just need to create the rules for which kind of thing that you are need the financial report analysis. So for company basis, I'm just going to create it, providing the field as company. Now you can see this is the domains. These are the three records under MyDB. So there we have three company and you can see those all companies. Once we are done with it, let's close this. Okay, and I'm just going to save and close this. Okay, so we are done with the horizontal group that is actually company. And moving on to the reporting, now we need to set up that. For that kind of purpose, moving on to the reporting, I want to see the financial report of balance sheet, which means the balance sheet report of two companies or three companies inside this report section. Okay, so there you can see for only one of the company, it only showing like this. So before moving on to there, I'm just going to confirm this two company. Okay, let me confirm that. So I've already selected of those three companies, but you can only see one of those company. Okay, and now I'm moving on to, sorry, this is the total of that three company, and moving on to this gear icon. Now here it's the part, an important part. Moving on to the gear icon. Now you can see this is the configured things and under the balance sheet. Moving on to the option side, here you can see to define which is the horizontal group. I'm activating this one and let me hit the save button. Moving back to the balance sheet itself, now you can see a button, a smart button is enabled here, horizontal group, and it is shown as not. but I'm just going to provide it as company FR. And now you can see for the company which I have the balance, I'll provide all the financial details, or what we can see, the opening balance and everything. I can see that. So for my company US, I can see the bank and cash and account receivables or other current asset. And for my company San Francisco as well, I can see, and I can simply compare them, okay, using this report session by enabling that particular horizontal group. Okay, now if I want to see under the profit and loss as well, I can uh, simply provide this option by moving onto the gear icon. You have an option site setting up the horizontal group from here itself. Clicking on that option, save this manually. Moving back to the profit and loss, provide the horizontal group as company financial report. Now you can see the whole details about that. Multiple companies like my company Chicago, my US company, and my company San Francisco as well. For the Chicago, I don't have any kind of data. That's why it's giving you as 0, but no problem. For these companies, I can see. Okay. So that's how simply you can allocate this financial report very easily using this feature, which is horizontal groups inside Odoo 19. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another kind of tricks and tips inside accounting module to ease your process. So till the next video, bye bye.